Hi everyone, it's Darla at Scrap Happens here with Tuesday's tip. Today I want to demonstrate how to use the soft pastels from the soft pastel assortment. They are fantastic. They can be used with daubers or sponges. I love using them with my blending brush. So they make a really cute card and they are just really fun to work with. I used it today with the Hugs, Sending Hugs stamp set and the layering Hugs die. So this die cuts that out, and then there's another die that will cut the letters out again. I left it with my cutting machine, so I don't have it right here handy to show you, but it cuts out the letters here for you, the H, U, G, and S. And I'll show you that in just a minute. So let's get started. First I want to show you the assortment of colors that you get. Aren't they beautiful? Today I'm going to use the Granny Apple Green, so I'm going to take that out. I have here the card base, which is 5.5 by 8.5 and scored at 4 1/4. And I have an inside of the card, which is 4 by 5 1/4. For the outside, the front of my card, I have a piece of Granny Apple Green that measures 3 7/8 by 5 1/8. And the part that we're going to add color to is 3 3/4 by 5. So what I'm going to do, first of all, is I'm going to take my pastel and I'm just going to put some color on my basic white cardstock. And I'm going to take my blending brush and blend it in. And it blends so nicely. I absolutely love it. If you want to make it darker, you can just add some more color. It's so soft and smooth, and it's just really cool to work with. Now I pre-cut out my Hugs, and the best way to cut this is using wax paper and to put your die cut the blade up. So you put your die cut, the wax paper, and then your basic black cardstock, and then your other plate, and run it through the Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine. Remember, with the blade side up, and the wax paper helps because it's got these intricate little cuts. It really helps when you want to get it out of the die and to get all the little centers out. What I did on this piece is I just added some multi-purpose glue in kind of strategic places. It's really easy on the letters because it's wide. And then I just picked some of the wider spots where it wouldn't seep through to hold it down. Let me get some here and here. If you put too much, it, you know, when you push it down, it seeps through and then you have a sticky mess. So I just put that where I want it. Got it a little crooked. I think that's straight. Oh, I have this fly that is driving me nuts. Sorry. If you see a hand wave, I'm trying to swat a fly. Next, I wanted to show you how I did the Hugs. And you could actually do this black part that way, but I wanted to demonstrate. There's that fly right in my photo, in my video. I'm going to make him famous. But I wanted to show you how I use the Tombow multi-purpose glue, but I also wanted to show you how I am using the Stampin' Up adhesive sheets. So I pre-cut one. This is the Pattern Party designer paper, and I cut it at 2.5 inches by 12. The sheets come, I think they're 6 by 12. Yeah, 6 by 12. So I just cut mine to 2.5, and then it stays 12, and then I put it on the back of the paper that I wanted, and then I cut out the hugs. So now every little letter here has adhesive already on it, and you don't have to mess with the glue. So I just wanted to show you how easy. Now it won't cooperate just because I'm on video probably, but I'm gonna try. Maybe it's just easier with my fingers. My fingernails. Yep, it is. So you just take the adhesive off, and then you don't have to worry about that sticky mess. And put it right on that background. And I did that with all the letters. Then I put it onto the Granny Apple Green card base layer and put it on the front of my card with all my letters. Now, on this stamp set, I wanted to show you, there are a lot of different sentiments. It could say hugs from all of us, hugs thinking of you, wishing you well, hugs on your special day, that's cute. Sending you hugs, birthday hugs. I chose hugs and kisses, and this little die cut comes with this same die set and fits and kisses perfect. So it also would fit the hugs to you. So really simple, really cute card, comes together quickly. Some fun techniques that you can do with the pastels and the blending brush, and also really fun these adhesive sheets. So easy to use, and it makes for much less mess. Sorry, I think my hand just got in there trying to swat that fly again. So much less mess with using the adhesive sheets. So it's a great card, simple and super cute. I can't wait to send it. We're also making this in my classes this month, and everybody has loved it so far. So I hope you do too. Anyways, thank you so much for stopping by today. If you liked what you saw, hit subscribe so you don't miss my next video. And I will be back next Tuesday with another tip, so be sure to stop back by. And have a great rest of your day and rest of your week. Bye.